people. So there is this book that I read, recently. I just finished it yesterday. It's called Ananda, Musings of the Fakir by Ruzbeh and Bharucha. I mean, honestly, yeah, I remember reading this book, Fakir, and it was one of the most mystical books I've read. Basically, Ruzbeh in Bharucha is you could you could say that he's was the son-in-law of Kiran Bedi, the only son-in-law, and his writing is like at another level because he's able to combine humor with a certain that channeled writing, so to speak. So it is an experience just reading his books. And Ananda, Musings of Fakir, is a book that is very easily you could read it because it just has these passages from this book, the Fakir. And the book Fakir was all about this one person's journey towards uh, towards the the inner calling. And actually, it's been quite a while since I read that book, but that book put me in such a space where basically it's all about even this the protagonist, his child is about to pass away, and he finally, like, he's doing everything he can to save the child, and then finally he says, okay, so I surrender to that higher power. And in that final moments, the child is saved. And the message we get is, we are told is that higher power wants to test us to see how much of faith we have in him. I don't know, yeah, when I read that book, it was almost an emotional experience for me. So Ruzbeh and Bharucha, if you haven't read his books, oh my god, people, you all are missing out, because it it is a book that will quench your spiritual thirst, which in today's day and age is the only thirst worth quenching. So do check out his books, yeah, Ruzbeh and Bharucha. You can find it on Amazon, and his books are just brilliant. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.